Reliable performance. Precise roll form design ensures consistent and optimal factory-installed preload to minimize excessive noise and wear. Extended service life. Application-specific advanced raceway design reduces stress, rotation and heat on components. Keeps water and dirt out. Quad lip seal design inhibits damage by keeping moisture and other contaminants out. Easy to install, engineered and designed for fast, hassle-free installation. Corrosion protection. Coated wheel studs resist corrosion and rust for easier removal and proper torquing. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG hub assemblies deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. True to form replacement. Direct bolt-in with no issues for 2019 Ram 1500. Nice that it included all new keepers for wheel sensor harness. Hopefully it outlasts the factory unit that failed at 75K.